Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko 29326CNB clear anodized aluminum nylon brush gasketing. This can be used for door sweeps or perimeter weather stripping, I suppose, which would be uncommon, but you could, and astragals, certainly. So this Pemko 29326 is, it has one nice feature with a snap-on cover flange. And I'm going to show that to you now. I'm showing it to you without, but here's the snap-on cover flange. Okay, just an aluminum channel. So obviously that's going to go onto the unit. This is the front side of it. Then your snap cover flange. Going to go over it. I'm not going to snap it down because I don't want to damage it removing it, since this has to go to a client. It's going to look like that, but it would obviously sit flush. Okay. So that's what that looks like with the snap flange cover partially assembled. Like I said, I'm not going to seat that down because it would snap on. Before we go further, screws are included in a complementary finish, and this 29326 is available in the C color. Let's start over. The 29326 is representative of the fact that this is an aluminum extrusion here with a nylon bristle and a snap-on trim cover. Okay. The C part of the part number means that it is in the clear anodized finish. It's also available in the dark bronze and gold, at least at this time. And the NB part of the part number stands for nylon brush or bristle. It would be gray if you ordered a C color. It'd be black if you ordered a D color or a G color, dark bronze or gold. Those screws are included. They'll always be in a complementary finish, but since they're concealed, not such a big deal. You're going to see this sort of door sweep, or however you're going to use it, in those applications where they specifically want a concealed, possibly more modern, possibly subjectively considered cleaner, higher end look. Okay, the front of retail establishments, you know, would certainly have something like this. The architect, the designer, the client may simply not want to see the screws on the door, and in my opinion, that is a very clean look, very nice, very clean look. Very common, and that's really in those applications where I see it out in the wild, so to speak, and that's where they're ending up when someone's asking me about it. Available on the website in several different lengths as well. If you have need for a custom length, by all means order the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Be happy to do that for you. The reasoning is because if you had to take this 3-foot piece and cut it down to, say, 32 inch, you'd eliminate that slotted screw, and the next one's all the way over here, and you're going to drill another hole, and it's hard to drill a slotted hole. Slotted holes are nice because they're going to give you the ability to tailor that to the bottom of a door. If it's not, certainly the sill will likely not be perfectly level, or give you the ability to tailor that laterally if it's weather stripping or an astragal. So if you order a custom length, we're going to locate that slotted hole in the proper distance from the edge and the proper centers as well. And it's nice to have that slotted hole also because as you're drilling the steel or wood or aluminum or whatever it is, the drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces through if you've not used a center punch especially. So that'd be another reason. Below this video is an image showing everything important dimensionally about the sweep, and let's go over that now. 7/8 is the overall height of the aluminum extrusion or the holder. Okay, 5/8 is the projection on the bristle, and those two dimensions are really common. They're very typical. Okay, you likely won't be able to go wrong with that. You're going to have a 1/4 inch projection when the snap cover is attached from the face of the door to the or to the back side of the unit to the face of the snap cover. Okay, aluminum doors. Anything visible where they don't want to see screws, this would be a great candidate for doing that. Pemko is a full-line manufacturer of all things weather stripping related. Not only commercial primarily in nature like this, but they do a lot of residential weather stripping. They're also very known for their continuous aluminum hinges, and they make metal vision frames for steel and wood doors as well. Any questions on the Pemko 29326CNB aluminum anodized door sweep or gasketing or astragal with a nylon brush, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.